Let's take a look at some of the best practices. This unit helps to sum up the concepts learned through examples, to understand the ground reality, to throw light on the innovative approach. Case of Gram Vikas as a model for community engagement. Gram Vikas is a rural development association working with poor people and marginalized communities in Orissa since 1979. Integrating the Watson scheme with livelihood generation has furthered the reason for rural development. The intervention includes numerous innovative threads which add to its prosperity. Constructing toilets without a water supply in the Indian situation seriously bargains the usefulness of the framework and prompts improved pressure of water collection on women. The association maintains 100% community interest as per as a pre-essential for initiation of the Watson scheme. The all or none principle of community cooperation may make the work a bit difficult. However, it is by setting such standards that genuine strengthening and empowerment is done. Gram Vikas as supporting entity. The Gram Vikas model aims at making communities self-sufficient. The different role taken up at different stages is as follows. Its role at the time of entry is of a community mobilizer. At the implementation stage, it plays the role of a trainer. Post-construction assumes the role of a facilitator building the village's capacity to manage systems independently. Village water and sanitation committees. The VWSCs is discussion in discussion with the community and some help from Gram Vikas is in charge of tariffs and financial management. VWSC set the tariffs. They collect tariffs that are then deposited in a separate bank account in the name of VWSC. The committees keep track of the transactions and producing annual accounts. Managing supply. VWSC is responsible for setting the duration of supply and alteration of the quantity of supply for special occasions. They employ one pump operator. Project planning. They are also responsible for expansion planning keeping in a view local conditions and preferences. Water conservation. VWSC also plays a role in sensitizing community members of water conservation. In villages where tariffs are too low to cover repair and bills, community member contributes to monetary or in labor at those times. Service received by households. There is complete coverage with household connection in the Gram Vikas supported villages because of the all in all out policy. In terms of quantity, accessibility, quality, continuity, and reliability of water supply, the services in Gram Vikas villages were high. The costs, capital cost, of a total of 2,956 rupees per person are largely done by the external support entities, mainly the national government. The government channels funds by Gram Vikas, who also contribute some 2% of the cost, essentially those related to capacity building and community mobilization. Community contributions to the initial implementation costs are 18%. Of all the capital costs, around 3% is for software support. Of the 70 rupees per person per year of recurrent costs, communities pay around 88%. These are roughly the cost of minor operation and maintenance. The contribution of NGOs is largely in the form of direct support to water committees in the administrative tasks and advice on bookkeeping, retraining,